All right, hi everyone. Welcome to your online R&R here. We're just going to do 15 minutes, get you ready for this new noon class in October. So we're just going to start seated, nice and easy. Hands to the knees, palms facing down for grounding or up to receive energy. Sitting up tall through your spine, chin tucked in, eyes closed. Starting with a few long breaths. Trying to empty the lungs on the inhale, on the exhale, and fill them up on the in. Just going to begin with a little twist. Get the organs cleansed, get the spine moving. Right hand to left knee, left hand behind you. Take an inhale to sit up tall and an exhale to twist. Every inhale sitting up a little taller. Every exhale twisting back a little deeper. As you inhale, just bringing around to the opposite side. On your next inhale, come on back to center. Just going to come into a nice classic forward fold. Inhale to lift and an exhale to fold. Just dropping your forehead to the floor, relaxing that upper body. Slowly walking your hands out over the right knee, just off to the side. Inhaling to center and over to the left. Come on back to center here. Walk yourself up to seated. Just a few rounds of our seated cat and cow. Again, still just warming up the spine, cleansing those organs inside. Start the exhale. Round the mid-back away, chin tucked in. As you inhale, pull the chest forward, shoulders back, chin up. And exhale, rounding back out. So just moving with your breath back and forth. And again, finishing off with the exhale, round spine, chin tucked in. Inhaling to neutral. We're going to just send the right leg off to the side. I'm going to grab onto that big toe. Look up towards the left, and right arm comes up and over. Inhaling to center, next leg. Long, deep breaths coming in and out the nose. Inhaling back to center. Just going to bring the soles of the feet together for butterfly. I'm going to start by just walking the feet nice and far away from you, so you have a nice diamond happening between the ankles, knees, and hips. Take an inhale to sit up tall and an exhale to fold. Emptying the lungs on the exhale. Inhaling to rise. We're going to just bring those feet in nice and close to the hips now. And then again, take an inhale to sit up tall and an exhale to fold, bringing the elbows to the outer sides of your shins and just letting your head fall towards the feet. Inhale to rise. We're gonna come on down to our backs. Just floating on down, pull the knees into the chest and give yourself a little hug, rocking from side to side. Happy baby. Grabbing onto the feet, pulling the knees towards the floor. Try to stack your heels over top of the knees. Ground down through your tailbone and breathe. Maybe straightening out one or both legs. And an exhale to release. We're gonna bring our arms into a T for two knees twist. So just float your heels up over your butt as if you're in a chair seated sideways. Contract your abs, this protects the low back, and exhale your feet and knees down to the right. Right palm onto the knees, and gazing to your left. Nice, long, slow, deep breaths. Emptying the lungs on the exhale. Arms back to center, contract the abs. Inhale your feet and knees to center. And exhale over to the left. Left palm onto the knees, this time gazing to the right to complete the twist. Just focusing on that breath. Inhaling yourself back to center, squeezing the knees into the chest. We're going to come into our Recline Butterfly. So soles of the feet are together. It's going to be a little different for everybody in this pose. So just find that sweet spot for you where you're finding a nice juicy stretch in your hips. And then inhale your arms up over your head, grabbing onto each elbow with each palm. Tuck the chin in. Just a couple long, deep breaths in and out your nose. Finish off with the exhale. We're going to come into a little banana stretch. So you can walk your limbs over to the right side of your mat. Then you're going to cross your left foot over the right and grab onto your left wrist with your right hand and just kind of pull your arm over towards that right side, stretching out through the left side of the body. Nice, gentle, restorative stretch to wind things down. And other side, walking your limbs over to the left. Cross the right leg over the left and grab onto the left wrist with that right hand. Inhaling yourself back to center. All right, you're gonna grab a block for this last pose here, either a block, or if you don't have a block at home, you could just use like a rolled blanket or anything really that's gonna lift your hips. So we're just gonna bring this block right underneath the hips there, golden bridge. So your feet come straight out in front of you, heels together, toes falling to the sides, and then your arms just come straight up over your head, creating a bridge out of your body. This is gonna feel really nice on your hips. Just take a few breaths here, in and out the nose, allowing all of your weight to just fall into that block. Notice whatever it is you're feeling here in this pose. Emptying the lungs on the exhale and filling them up on the inhale. Just noticing what sensations you feel in your body that come along with those deep, long breaths. What starts to shift and shape inside of you. All right, you're gonna slowly walk your feet towards you. Just pick those hips up, remove the block. Extend your legs straight out. Just take a moment in Shavasana here. Absorb all the work we've put into this practice, unwinding and slowing down. Tuck your chin in slightly, pick up your tailbone, slide it away from you. Let's take a few deep breaths here. Notice what you're feeling throughout your body without judgment. Slowly wiggling your fingers, your toes, rocking your head from side to side. Bring the knees back into the chest. Take a little rock from side to side. Get one more little hip stretch in. Take an inhale, bring your forehead to your knees. Exhale to come on down. You can roll on over to your right and find your way up to seated. Stay up nice and tall through your spine to finish off here. Centering. Again, palms facing down for grounding or up to receive energy. That's up to you. It doesn't have to be the same as the beginning of class.